Hi, so today I'm going to talk you through the best plants for gifting. So ideally these are things that are easy to take care of and look nice. So I'll talk you through a few of my favourites that I like to gift people. So first one is a peace lily, really easy to look after. You can tell when it needs watering because they're very dramatic and it'll just drop all of its leaves. As soon as you water it, it'll pick right up again. It looks lovely in pretty much any room. So this is one of my favourites. I also like succulents as well. Again, don't need a lot of water, don't need a lot of feeding. In the summer you water them once a week, in the winter once a month if that, and they look nice and they come in all different variations. Another one for outdoors is lavender. Again, you can get them in all different flowering varieties, loads of different colours as well to choose from. You can have purple, pink, white, and again, relatively easy to look after, don't need a lot of water, very easy for a first-time gardener. And my favourite one, which is a classic, is roses. Again, you can get them in all different colours, they've got loads of different names, so you can get them for anniversaries, you can get them for birthdays, and they'll have a name linked to it. Will flower all summer, they just need a bit of pruning, and then just leave them over the winter and they'll come back every year.